Now, distance of a point from a plane. Let's derive the formula. Now, here we have drawn a figure, a plane and a point P. Now, let vector r dot vector n is equal to d be an equation of a plane and P be any point in a space, anywhere, P be any point in the space. Now, this is point P and this is point L. Point L is in the plane. Okay. So, we are having point P and point L and this is a normal. Okay. So, let vector r dot vector n is equal to d be an equation of a plane and P be any point in the space. Now, let PL be a perpendicular from point P on the plane and point L be the foot of the perpendicular. Point L be the foot of perpendicular. Let vector A be the position vector, PV stands for position vector. Let vector A be the position vector of point P, Now, O is the origin, P is a point, A is a position vector of point P and P, L is perpendicular on the plane. Okay. Now, OL, vector OL is equal to vector OP plus vector PL. Triangle law of a vector. Now we can write it vector OL is equal to position vector of OP, that is vector A plus vector PL. Now L lies on the plane, point L lies on the plane, therefore vector OL is equal to point L lies on the plane, therefore OL dot vector n is equal to D. Okay. OL is a point, so OL dot vector n is equal to D. Now we are having OL is equal to vector A plus vector PL and OL dot vector n is equal to D. Therefore, now vector A plus vector PL, vector A plus vector PL, this is what? OL. Okay. Dot vector n is equal to is equal to distance D. Now once again, OL is equal to vector A plus PL. Here OL dot vector n is equal to D because L lies on the plane. Therefore, in place of this OL we are putting A plus PL, vector A plus vector PL. So vector A plus vector PL dot vector n is equal to D. Now this we can write it now vector A dot vector n plus vector PL dot vector n is equal to D. Now, if we are having PL and vector n, okay, now I am just writing here, if vector PL and vector n are like vectors, then what we can write it? Then we can write it vector A dot vector n plus magnitude of vector PL, magnitude of vector n cos 0 degree is equal to D. Okay. Or now cos 0 degree is what? Cos 0 is 1. Okay. So we are having vector A dot vector n plus magnitude of vector PL, magnitude of vector n is equal to D. Now PL is equal to D minus vector A dot vector n upon magnitude of vector n. So, or PL is equal to D minus vector A dot vector n upon magnitude of vector n. Now, one very general thing that I am just going to discuss that thing. So, that is what, if we are having PL and n are unlike vectors, if they are unlike vectors, then instead of cos 0 degree, we will be having cos 180 degree. When it is cos 180 degree, then it will be negative. So, then here what it will become? On the whole of the point, when it is negative, then here we will be getting vector A dot vector n minus vector D. So, that is why we are just written a modulus function here. Okay, absolute function, sorry, here. So, it means the distance cannot be negative. Okay. So, that is why I am just mentioning here only like vectors, not the unlike vectors. Okay. Now, hence perpendicular distance of point P with position vector A from the plane vector R dot vector n is equal to vector D is given as PL is equal to D minus vector A dot vector n upon magnitude of vector n. So, this is finally in general, this is the result. Okay, even we can write it in general. Okay. So, this is the formula.